Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about improving process. That is second software economic parameter. Second economic parameter is process. Process is related to methods and techniques. Once again, remember what do we process? Process is nothing but methods and techniques. Methods are modules or functions. Techniques means the concepts which you are going to implement, the process which you are going to implement, the technologies you should remember, the methodology you should follow. How to improve the process? The process can be improved four distinct trends. First one is iterative development. Iterative development means the once if you design architecture, that can be iterated many times so that you can improve any missing items. You can identify the miss out items. So something is went to wrong, that can be identified through iteration development. Process maturity models. So during iterative models, you can find out compulsory the success ratio, architecture first development. So for any kind of project, the architecture must be strong. Good architecture, well architecture projects gives you success results. Acquisition reform. Acquisition reform means assessments. Assessment should be done at the end. Okay. So by following the four important trends, you can improve the process. First parameter is iterative development. Second one is process maturity models. Architecture first development, acquisition, reform. Then there are three types of processes that we will discuss. Uh, okay, improving software process. There are three distinct process perspectives: meta process, macro process, and micro process. Already we discussed earlier. Process is nothing but methods and techniques. Methods are known as modules or functions. The main problem is divided into several methods, several modules. Okay, each module analyzed and architecture is prepared, and it is going to be implemented by coding team. That is step by step implementation procedure that already we know how the software project is going to be built by the software professionals, the software organization, that we know the layered architecture. It is known as layered architecture. The software is going to be developed through levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, and so on. In each level, in each phase, some people are going to be involved, and they will involve inside the work allocated for them, and the process will be complete. Once that stage is over, it enter to the next level, like that till last phase the work will be progressed. So such a project development, the process divided into three types. One is meta process, second one is micro process, third one is micro process. Macro and micro processes. Meta process is a specific work designed for certain projects. Macro is a small process. Micro is very small area of work. So that we'll compare by following the table. Three levels of process and their attributes are given below. First process is meta process, macro process, and micro process. So here I given you the table, the comparison table. From this comparison table, you will understand clearly the difference among three types of processes and attributes. The attributes are subject, objectives, audience, metrics, consent, and time scale. How many attributes are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six attributes you have to remember. First attribute is subject. Subject means what is the aim of each process. Each process. First one is meta line of business. Line of business means small work, one small area of business task is called meta process. Already I mentioned early. I told you previously just now. Meta process is related to line of business activities. Macro process is related to project works, and micro process is related to iteration. Iteration means any work if you want to design through iterative pattern, iterative method, then you can use micro process. Micro means small, macro big one. Meta is specified area. Objectives. Objectives are its features, its main area of project is known as objectives. One, a line of business. It is related to line of business or profitability, profitability and competitiveness. Competitiveness is there. Line of business means the works which will carry one by one through a particular project is known as line of business. So series of versions. Example: Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 7, etc. These are called line of business. So version 1, version 2, version 3. If you designed a project for a particular client, let us call it as line of business 1. If you upgrade previous version with a new one, it is called version 2, is known as line of business process. And third, and so on. In 5 consecutive years, if you release 5 different softwares, they are known as line of business activities. So each and every uh, version or release is comes under through profitability, and you should consider competitiveness among other developers. Okay, once again I will tell you the difference between line of business. Series of versions, series of developments. Suppose if you design a particular uh, game software, gaming tool, let us call it as line of business 1. Later it is 2, later it is 3. I will tell you one more small example. You know very well the Robo movie, Robo. Then second one is Robo 2.0. Then sequels are known as line of business. Previous is there. For that, some modifications, some enhancements are going to be added. They are called as line of business projects. Okay, second, macro process. Project profitability, risk management, project budget, schedule, and quality. So these are separate projects. Each project is considered as profitability. You should measure the risk management, project budget. You have to prepare a schedule, and you have to focus on quality. So this is macro process. Micro process: resource management, risk resolution, milestone budget, schedule, quality. For a particular activity, you should carry through iterative pattern. Iterative pattern means, so it should be done with several trips, several rounds. You have to make iteration 1, iteration 2, and so on. Finally, you have to get the desired solution. Audience, acquisition authorities, customer organization, management. Audience means the people who are directly, indirectly interacted. The people, the person who are going to interacted with the business is known as audience. Acquisition authorities, those who are going to deal with the project, is known as acquisition authority. Customers are organization management. The people who are going to use the software is known as customer organization management. Here, software managers and software engineers. Here, the top level people are going to follow the software development is known as software project managers and engineers. Sub project managers, software engineers are going to join here. Metrics. Metrics are the estimations. Metrics are measurements which are very important for any kind of software activity. Project predictability, revenue, market share, etc. to be measured. On schedule, on budget, major milestones, project scrap and rework to be considered. And microprocess, on budget, on schedule, major milestone progress, release, iteration, scrap and rework to be considered to be followed. Then consents, bureaucracy versus standardization. Here in macro process we should follow quality versus financial performance. In micro process you should consider content versus schedule, time scale. Meta process takes around 6 to 12 months. The duration is 6 to 12 months. And macro process may take 1 to many years, and micro process may take 1 to 6 months. So by going through the time scales, you can estimate the schedules and cost very easily. Meta process and micro process takes less schedule, and cost is also very less when compared to a macro process, right? Okay, once again, just uh, refer three types of processes. What are three types of process we should improve? One, meta process, micro process. The okay, again, just you repeat three types of process are going to apply to improve the software process. The software process can be improved by analyzing three types of process. We should identify uh, the software development or the software tools and technologies related to which kind of process. The organization must identify whether it related to meta process, micro process, and macro process. Okay. Once you identified the nature of work, and you have to identify 7 parameters: subject, objectives, audience, metrics, consents, and time scales. What is a subject? A type of business. It's a line of business. Line of business means successive versions, successive releases, version 1, version 2, project 1, project 2, project 3, and so on, under the same kind of business activity. Macro process is related to a specific project. All are disjoint projects, all are individual projects, and micro process is done through iteration. Okay, this is about types of processes. 3 processes are there. To improve the process, every software organization must follow these attributes, and comparison among meta process and macro process and micro processes. And finally, this is very important. So you have to remember the time scales, the duration of each and every process. Meta process, uh, run approximately 6 to 12 months. Macro process is 1 to many years. Micro process 1 to 6 months. Okay, right.